Hi everyone, in today's video I've just got a little quick vinyl project to show you. Now in my shop on my applelover53.co.uk website I am selling these adhesive sampler packs and they've been really popular, so I've got some more to make, but basically they're a sampler of several of the different adhesives that I sell in my Stampin' Up shop. But what I've done with these, I've bought them. We're allowed to cash and carry these items as Stampin' Up demonstrators. So I've bought them, I've bought all these vinyl cases, I'm decorating them, and I've put a full size liquid adhesive in, and then they've got other products within them. All the information is under the shop tab on my website. Then if you scroll down to where it says adhesive, and you can buy them directly. And what I'm doing, I'm giving you the vinyl case which I'm decorating with vinyl free of charge within the kit. So I've got quite a few that I've been making up already in, you know, kind of different colours, and I've got my stack of vinyl cases here. So I'm just going to do another blue one, and I thought that you might like to just see the process. So I'm using my standard tack mat, I'm using a piece of vinyl, and I'm using the ScanNCut Auto vinyl blade, which is the blue top blade. So I'm just going to apply this vinyl to this mat and stick it down. Now, if you find that your vinyl doesn't want to stick to your mat, just tape it down with a bit of washi tape, something like that. I found with vinyl, it depends what the backing is. Some vinyl sticks to my mat perfectly, and other vinyl won't stick to it. So I have to, you know, apply washi tape on the ends or somewhere out of the way where I'm not going to be cutting the design. So I'm going to flip you to the ScanNCut machine. I'm going to load this mat into the machine. I'm going to go to retrieve data into the machine and find where I've actually saved my adhesive text for these projects. I'm going to do a background scan and start. Okay, so I can see that there now. So just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to apply a little bit of washi tape just on either end of this vinyl, because although it's looking as though it's sticking in most places, just on this one end, it's looking as though it wants to come up, and I don't want to be messing about ruining it and having to try and cut it again. So I can see the vinyl, I can see my words. I'm just going to position them on this piece of vinyl. I'm going to take my regular auto blade out, and I'm going to put the vinyl auto blade into the machine. So I'm just going to pop that into the machine, and this blue top vinyl blade is only for the machines that have got the auto blade technology. So I'm going to say OK. I'm going to press select and cut. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to go into the wrench and I'm going to scroll down and find half cut and turn it on, because with this being vinyl, I only want to cut through the top layer and not through the whole of the backing. So I'm going to say OK, and now I'm going to press start. Okay, so that's finished. I'm going to unload the mat. Just going to put the vinyl blade away and put my regular blade back in its storage compartment. And I'm just going to go into the machine and turn off half cut, just so that next time I come to use it, I won't be wondering why it's not cutting properly. So I'm just going to do that and then turn off the machine. Tear away the washi tape. Get the mat out of the way. Right, I can see where my vinyl ends, so I'm just going to cut away that piece of vinyl. Could always use that another time, or I can, throw it away. So now I'm going to weed the excess away first. Now I could have put a square box around it to make this easier, but I'm just literally just going to peel the vinyl away slowly so that I don't pull up any of the letters. There you go. So that's my waste. So it's just a case of picking out the middles of the letters now, these E's, the D, and in the middle of the A. And that is my vinyl ready to go on the front of my vinyl case. So just going to bring in my vinyl case ready. I've got my words now. I just need some transfer tape. And I've got a piece here that I've been using over and over, doing all the other ones. So I'm just going to position this piece of transfer tape over the vinyl letters. I'm going to burnish them all down. I've used this piece quite a lot, so I'm hoping that it's still going to be okay, but it's that law, isn't it? The minute you try to do something on a video, it's bound to go wrong. So I'm going to flip it over and give it a burnish from the back as well, and hopefully peel this away. And sometimes it's easier if you peel the backing away from your vinyl rather than trying to bring your transfer tape away from the backing paper, if that makes sense. I'm just going to do it nice and slowly, keeping it kind of low to the tabletop. That way, hopefully, you won't pull up any letters if it is a little bit loose. So there is my word now. I'm going to bring in my little case, position this centrally by eye, burnish it down, and then again just peel the vinyl away. And I find that vinyl sticking to vinyl generally sticks really well, so you can be a little bit more quicker with this part of the process, but if you're a bit nervous about it, just take your time. So there it is. So this now I will just put back on this roll, and I'll just keep using it until I can't get any more transfer from it, basically. And that's my little project, and here they are made up with the adhesives in, and I've got all these others now already cut, so it's a case of just sticking these now all on my vinyl cases and putting all the adhesive packs in them, put them in the shop as stock, and then people can buy them if they want to. So that was my little quick vinyl project for today. I hope that helped. As I said, using the vinyl auto blade, you need to have an auto blade machine. So any of the DX machines or the SDX machines will work with the blue topped vinyl blade. Anyway, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.